Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Lumintop. Now this here is their L1 flashlight. Now I was sent this by Lumintop directly. They wanted me to test and review this new model of theirs. Comes in this box. Kind of see it here on the window. Not too much here on the back. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Sometimes these stickers can be a bugger to get in here. There we go. Got lucky here. We get one user manual. Now this is a multi-language manual here, so let's take a look here at the specifications on the light outputs here. As you can see here, the light chart is pretty long, showing you that it can run on alkaline cells. It can run on 14500s as well. So looks like 900 lumens is the highest output using the included battery. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's move along. Quality check badge here. 2 extra O-rings, some already on the light. Now here's the USB charging cable. And we've got a headband here. Now I won't be using this, but you can wear it hands-free. It also has a magnetic tail cap, so you can use it as an angle light, which is what I'm going to do. It's got the battery in it, so it's pretty heavy duty on that. So this is the band here. It's a soft band, so it should be more than comfortable. Kind of got a thin band here on it. Nice quality. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Of course you saw it. You can angle it. I love angle lights. You can table stand that in any direction. Or if you want to pitch it a little bit on the angle, put it to a metal surface, you can angle that beam just the way you want. Got the side switch, a little bunny on there this time. Now these grooves on the body are nice and grippy, so help hold. This is super compact, so it's really easy to carry this. Now I do wish it had a clip, but that's not a con. Now the style and design on this is nice. I like that stainless steel bezel on there, even around the side switch there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here. It's got a textured reflector. Now the literature only says that it's a high performance LED, so I'm not too sure what it is exactly. Could be an OSRAM LED possibly. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides here. Protection piece here. You want to remove it. You can save them, so if you want to lock the light out, storage, the Battery here is a 14500 920 milliamp. Does have the charging port there, so that's how you charge it, or you can put it in a dedicated charger. That's what I normally do, unless I'm on the go. So it's going to get the highest output of this light. You can run regular 1.5 volts, so I don't have to worry about it. Just carry a couple of those extra batteries with you, or 14500s. But just remember, the other batteries, 1.5 volts, are going to be less light output. And we got our little glowing bunny there. So now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. I'll turn on the light. Just keep on clicking on that. Let's take a look here at the beam. Nice combination beam. A little bit of bleeding around the edge of that. It's got a focused area there. It's going to be a large hot spot. Spill area does have a little bit of a cutoff, not super sharp though. And these combination beams are my favorite. My preferred beam type for indoor and outdoor. Now we're going to turn it off here. Press and hold. Now you can, from off, double click to get strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash, and it is distracting. Double click again will get you SOS. Double click again will now get you beacon. And if you double click again, it will go back to strobe. Click it one time. It does have memory mode. So if we go here, press and hold, turn it off, turn it back on. It does have the memory to save that last light output. See if it'll do the highest one. Yep. So it's good. And 900 lumens is a lot of light coming out of something this small. Super compact. Press and hold turns it off. And that's all there is to this light. Very simple and easy to operate this. Nice looking light, especially angle lights. They've got a soft spot in my heart for them. Used them a lot growing up, and these things were abused. We used to get them from the base, and they were plastic, and they took a great beating, but they ran AA and also had C size, if I remember correctly. But look at how compact this is. 900 lumens compared to like a 25-30 lumen. Wow. Amazing what technology has come. Of course, if you do want to turn this off, you can just slightly turn the tail cap and just lock it out. But if you want to find it in the dark, power outage, storm, you can leave it on. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this Lumintop L1 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Lumintop L1. Also be a angle light, flashlight, or a headlamp. It's your choice. I turn it on. I think I manually locked it out. Wondering why the button wasn't there. There's the little bunny lit up. Let's go ahead and get started. See how it does. Lowest level, 38 feet there. Impressive. 65 feet there. That's a large hot spot. Let's go over here, and it is faintly making that tree of life. It's just not able to see it on camera. Nice. We're going to go up to the next level. Spill has come alive. Impressive. Famous tree of life now is lit up pretty good, so that's nice. Seeing this tree better now. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Let's go over here, see how it does. A little jump there. Lights up that whole tree. The whole hot spot is the size of the tree. That's pretty large. So this will kind of lean more towards flood. All coming from this little light. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance. The beam here performs as if it was a bigger flashlight. This here is super compact. I like the fact that you can angle it and use it as a headlamp. It's not too heavy. 14.500s, 16.340s, maybe 18.350 is my max. And this here is super lightweight. You'll forget it's on your head. So definitely looking for a headlamp. This is ideal. You can have both angle light, headlamp, or flashlight. Everyday carry. This is a nice little package, one of the better ones I've seen. I like when they're this small, and the fact that you can hands-free it as well, sticking it on a metal surface, and you're ready to go. Simple UI, nothing difficult. You can also run 1.5 volt cells, huge plus, especially if you have an emergency, and you can go to the store and buy a big old box on Amazon, those Amazon Basics. Those batteries are great. I've never had any issues with them. Buy a big old box of those, you're going to be running this thing forever. And it's not going to heat up at all versus the 14.500 cell. It's going to get pretty toasty on that highest output. So you've got the best of both worlds when empowering the light, and also the USB Type-C charging to be able to charge the battery that's included on the go. Another huge plus. So build quality, nice. I'm not seeing any issues. Done a lot of reviews for Lumintop over the years. Okay, well, I want to thank Lumintop for sending me this L1 to review. Now, this is a new model. If this is something you're interested in getting, remember, it's a complete kit. I will leave a link down below the video. I am working on a special discount code. Once I get that, that should help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new models from Lumintop to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.